What is JEE exam? The JEE Joint Entrance Examination is a highly competitive entrance exam in India for students seeking admission to undergraduate engineering programs, primarily in the prestigious IITs and other top engineering colleges. Types of exams: JEE Main, conducted by the National Testing Agency, NTA. JEE Main is the first stage. It's also used by other engineering colleges, such as NITs, IIITs, and state-level institutions. JEE Advanced, conducted by one of the IITs on a rotational basis. This is the second stage for students who qualify JEE Main and seek admission specifically to the IITs. Eligibility Criteria. Students can attempt JEE Main 3 times, while JEE Advanced can be attempted twice in consecutive years. Educational Qualification. Candidates must have passed their Class 12 or equivalent with physics, chemistry, and mathematics. A minimum of 75% marks in Class 12 is required for IIT admissions, 65% for SC/ST candidates. Though this criterion has been relaxed in recent years. Exam structure. JEE Main has 2 papers. Paper 1 is for BE/BTech programs, while Paper 2 is for B-Arch and B-Planning. Paper 1 BE/BTech has multiple choice questions and numerical questions in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Paper 2 ABARCH includes mathematics, aptitude, and drawing. Paper 2 BB-Planning includes mathematics, aptitude, and planning-based questions. JEE Advanced. It consists of 2 compulsory papers, each covering physics, chemistry, and mathematics, with different types of questions like MCQs, numerical questions, and matrix match types. The pattern can vary each year. Syllabus. The syllabus includes core concepts from physics, chemistry, and mathematics at the Class 11 and Class 12 levels. Topics include physics, mechanics, electricity and magnetism, optics, modern physics, thermodynamics, chemistry, physical, organic, and inorganic chemistry, mathematics, algebra, calculus, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, probability, mode of examination. JEE Main, conducted in online computer-based mode for all papers except the drawing section of Paper 2, A offline. JEE Advanced, entirely online, computer-based. Marking scheme. JEE Main typically follows a +4 for correct answers, -1 for incorrect answers in MCQs, and 0 for unattempted questions. Numerical value questions usually don't have negative marking. JEE Advanced. The marking scheme varies each year, often with partial marks, full marks, and negative marking. If you have some more questions, you can visit the official websites of JEE Mains and Advanced.